Welcome to this comprehensive course on Material Requirements Planning, or MRP Essentials by Lean Strategies International LLC. My name is Cameron Hansen, and I will be helping guide you through a deep understanding of MRP. MRP has been implemented in organizations seeking to manage inventory as well as reduce and remove waste from their operations for a long time now. You may have heard of different iterations like MRP, MRP1, MRP2, and ERP. The many different evolutions of MRP are a powerful testament to its continued usefulness in different organizations. As the world has evolved and transformed from a push-oriented environment to more demand-driven pull systems, MRP is still used widely today. As with any course created by Lean Strategies International LLC, in this course you will learn all the foundational information needed to test your knowledge with interactive quizzes and be challenged to go and apply your new skills with regards to material requirements planning. That's right. You will not only gain knowledge, but you will be able to take that knowledge and use it with your experience too. The Material Requirement Planning Essentials course pulls from a variety of resources so that you learn foundational concepts of material requirements planning and can go and apply the different techniques outlined in your MRP system. MRP systems help you focus on managing and building inventory that is needed rather than trying to guess. In short, it is a set of techniques that uses the bill of material data, inventory data, and the master production schedule to calculate what is needed for dependent requirements. This in turn allows you to realize improved production efficiency, reduced purchasing costs, better control over inventory, and help prevent bottlenecks that may occur in production. That's right, after learning how MRP systems work, you will be better equipped to harness the full power of your MRP system. With that in mind, you will learn about the prerequisites of what makes material requirements planning system, what it takes to use and understand MRP, as well as core concepts like planned orders and firming, planning horizons, and tips and tricks to keep your system running clean. We look forward to sharing the essential knowledge with you. With that being said, check out the free previews, look around at the description, and click on the enroll button today, and let's get started with the essentials of material requirements planning that will bring you solutions and ignite your power today. If you've studied business or worked in supply chain or operations, there's no doubt that you have probably heard of the term material requirements planning. This course is the essentials of MRP. That's right, in this course we will cover everything that you need to know to not only function using MRP, but also understand what the system is doing and use it like the powerful tool it is. Over the next few modules, we will take a deeper look into what MRP is, what MRP uses to plan with, the inputs and outputs of the MRP system, the difference between push and pull systems, how MRP works with Lean, different planning horizons, bucketed MRP and bucketless MRP, the MRP grid, and how you can monitor and manage your MRP system. That's right, we'll cover all this and so much more. By the end of this essential course, you will be primed and ready to use MRP. It's been said that knowledge is power, and in this course, you will gain knowledge, techniques, and valuable skills that will help you advance in knowledge and power of MRP. With this in mind, let's get started, and we'll see you in the next module.